Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect a printer on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you want to use printer with your Samsung device, then you want to go to settings. In these settings you want to go to connections, and then over here go to more connection settings, and then here we have printing. If you go over here, then you have the default printing service, which can be enabled and disabled. You can also tap on the name of this option in order to try to search for your printer. You can also tap on these three dots in order to try to add your printer manually by adding the IP address or by enabling Wi-Fi direct printing. In addition to that, if that doesn't help, if your printer cannot be detected over here, then you can download a plugin. And if you do this, you will open the Google Play Store page where you will find a bunch of different plugins, and depending on your printer you might use a different one. So for instance, if you have HP printer, then you want to go for HP print service plugin, and then you want to install it, and then you can simply follow the instructions that you will find after installing this device. Or alternatively, you can also simply go back to the same settings and try to find your printer one more time in the default print service. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.